Since 1875, Normandin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram has been San Jose's premier automotive dealership. And here's another great example of one of our quality pre-owned vehicles. It comes equipped with rear view camera, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, keyless entry, rear spoiler, auto high beam headlamp control, electronic stability control, speed sensing steering, tire pressure monitoring system, and has less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. After viewing this vehicle, we hope you'll give us the opportunity to prove to you why Normandin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram is the best place to buy your next vehicle.